Good evening, everyone. Welcome all of you to my YouTube channel, PCB Design Coaching. In this tutorial, we will discuss about some basic commands of Altium Designer. So you can see these are the basic commands of Altium Designer. This is the interface of Altium Design software. And we will discuss some basic commands of Altium Designer in this tutorial. So you can see there are many commands of Altium Designer. First is file, second view, project, window, help. We will discuss about these commands one by one. So firstly, we will discuss about this command that name is file. New option, open, open project group, save project group. This is the save option and save as option. Okay. Import wizard, run script, recent document, recent projects, recent project group, exit. Through this option, we can exit from our this software Altium Designer. Okay. And this is the shortcut key of exit, Alt plus F4. So we will discuss only important commands and important option that will be useful to create an PCB and schematic file. So first is file command, and this is new option. So you have to click on this option, and then you can see this option will be show. Through this option, we will give our project name and the location where our project will be saved. And then this is the next option, schematic, where we will draw our schematic of PCB. And this is what PCB file, schematic file and PCB file. In this file, we will create our PCB after drawing the schematic file. And this is draftman documents, CAM document, output job file, components, libraries, script, mixed signal simulation design project group. So we will discuss about these all options as soon as they become useful, right? So now we will discuss about that commands and option that will be very useful and important to create an PCB and schematic. Okay, so here this is the symbol footprint and 3D models we can see through this option. And next is new. Through this option, we can create our project. Next command is view. Toolbar, navigation, no document tool, customize panels, and difference, navigator, components, manufacturer parts, search, commands, message, outputs, storage manager, explorer, project design, reuse. Status bar, command status. And the next command is project. Validate, cross probe next message, cross probe previous message, add to new project. You can see that by the help of this option, we can create our schematic PCB, these files, and schematic library and PCB library. Okay, so these are the main important files and libraries that will be very useful to create an PCB and schematic. When we will create an schematic in this designer, in this design software, then we will have to make an schematic library to create an schematic file. Okay, and when we will create an PCB, then we will have to create an PCB library also. With the help of PCB library, we will be able to create an PCB in this software. And this is project documents option, show differences, show physical differences, story, and version control, project packages, whatever. I will let you know about these all options as soon as they become useful. And next is window. Arrange all windows horizontally, arrange all windows vertically. We will uh, we will use this option to create an PCB, to update an schematic file into the PCB file. Okay, and this is help command. So now we will create our first project file. So first we have to click on file command and then click on new and then project. So you can see here, this is project name. So first we have to mention our project name here. So guys, my project name is PIC 16F 15323. This is my project name, and here we have to mention our location where our project will be saved, our schematic file and PCB file will be saved. So you have to click on these three dots. These three dots are called ellipses. Okay, so simply you have to click on the ellipsis, and here I will select my folder where my project will be saved. So this is my folder, PCB design. Okay, so I have selected my folder, and we can say an location where my project will be saved. Select folder. So you can see this folder location is desktop, and this folder location is this folder. So simply click on the crates. So you can see my project has created, and simply there are three ways to create an PCB file and schematic file. First is you have to go again file command, and then new command, and then schematic file. So you have to left click on this schematic option, then you can see your schematic file will be created. And the second option is you have to go on the project command, and then add new project, and this is schematic file option. If you clicks on this option, then you will see that your PCB file, your schematic file will be created. And third option is you have to right click on your project name and add to new project, and you can see here these are your schematic file and PCB file. These are the three ways by the help of we can create our schematic file and PCB file. So simply I will I will right click on my project name and then add to new project and then schematic file. So you can see my schematic file has created, and now I will have to save my schematic file. So simply I will click on the save option, and here we have to mention our schematic file name. So my schematic file name, uh, SC, my SCHN, my schematic, my SCHEMATI, my schematic file, and then click on save. So you can see my schematic file has created and saved. And then we have to click again, we have to right click again our project name, and then add a new project, and then PCB. So you can see my PCB file has created, and now I will save this. So simply we have to click on this option, save option, and then we have to mention PCB name. So my PCB file name is layout PCB, and then click on the save option. So you can see my both schematic file and PCB file has created and saved. So this is the simple process to create an schematic file and PCB file in your Altium Designer. So you can see there are many commands of Altium Designer. We will discuss one by one about these all commands in the next video. So that's all in today's video. We will meet again in the next video with a new topic. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Like it, okay? Thank you.